Everybody, this is Brian back with a Algorand algo token update. We had this breakout yesterday. Algorand's up 1.41% for the day, but I like to show a little bit of news before we get into that chart. I got a pretty good article here. It says Algorand hack, a buying opportunity on weakness. Now if you go the whole way down here, it says what is Algorand, my algo wallet breach. But if you go down here, network activity. From a DeFi standpoint, Algorand's network activity has been strong despite the decline in coin price. We can see from DeFi Llama data that total value locked on chain, or TVL, has been steadily growing on Algorand despite a crypto winter. From a native asset standpoint, Algorand's total value locked has increased by 24.5% year to date from 557.3 million algo at the start of the year to 693.8 algo as of March 13th. So not nearly as exciting as the total value locked. Wallet addresses have grown year to date as well from 29.4 million to just under 30 million. The growth in holders has been stronger in wallet addresses with over 10,000 algo, but as the thresholds get larger, the growth tapers off. One area that I would like to see some better momentum is in total transactions. In March of 2022, the chain was averaging 7 million daily transactions, and so far this month that number has fallen approximately 59% down to 2.9 million daily transactions. So it says Algorand is a low transaction cost, scalable blockchain that was founded by leading computer scientists. Picking layer 1 winners not named Ethereum is tricky and possibly carries more risk than just picking the more established smart contract ecosystem. But I think Algorand is a layer 1 that should be on the radar of most crypto buyers. I have personally added to my Algorand position on the recent dip below 20 cents, as I believe any concerns about the My Algo wallet hack have been overblown by the market. So pretty awesome article, no doubt. Algorand is a solid company, and I think that was a great buying opportunity too. And this morning in the U.S. at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they announced the inflation, and it fell for the 8th straight month in February. It went down to 6 from 6.4 in January. So that was fantastic to see. Binance is going to convert $1 billion worth of their stable coin to Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and other tokens. And they're going to do this to prop the market up, support the market. So awesome move by Binance. That's awesome to hear, And what we have here over here, the crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is at 1.1 trillion. It's up 2.7%. The volume for 24 hours is down 36.5%. Bitcoin dominance stands at 42%. It's up 0.36%. And get this, it says we're in greed right now. I don't know how this thing works, but sure doesn't feel like greed, does it? I don't know. Maybe it does. I don't know. It really doesn't to me, though. But if you come over here and look at the gainers for the day, you got some singularities just flying. Got a lot of double-digit gainers. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please get subscribed. Got to do 100 ADA token giveaway at the end of the month. That's Cardano. That coin went to $3 the last bull run. So could be a nice little win for somebody. I'm going to do this every month. I'm going to do a giveaway very last day of the month, just as a way of saying thank you, and for all the beautiful comments and support you've given me, and I love you guys for it. Thank you so much. It's been really great, and I'm not going to come on here and bash anybody else or nothing like that. I'm just here to give you my thoughts on the market, and hopefully do some good out here for everybody. I'm not the best trader in the world, that's for sure, but I can hold my own, I think, and I'm just giving you my opinion on what I think is going to happen. So I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Please, it's your money. Do your own research. Don't listen to any YouTuber out there. But let's get into this here, okay? I covered I think 10 coins yesterday, and I think 7 of the 10 hit their price targets. Algorand still has some ways up to go here. This RSI down here, you can see it's coming up some. We had a little bit of buying volume come in here. Let's look at this RSI on the 4 hour and the 1 hour real quick. The 4 hour, it's peaked out, needs to cool off. The 1 hour is going down to reset, and quite honestly, it looks like to me like this thing might bounce around for a day or two. Maybe tomorrow it'll start moving again, but I totally expect this thing to come up further. My price target, like I said, at the minimum is 0.2484, the first price target. So if we get through that, we'll regroup and see here. But on a Fibonacci level, maybe I should have moved this down a hair, but the 618 is a point, in trading, that a lot of times if a coin doesn't make it through the 618 702, then that'll be the stopping point. You'll see it hit that and roll over. If you make it through that 702, and of course 786 is the last one, but the 702 and the 618, that's your two big ones. You make it through there, then you're probably going to take this high out, and then we'll have a higher high here. And I could definitely see that happening if this rally continues, especially with Bitcoin setting a higher high today. The total market cap setting a higher high. We might, like I said, we might need to cool down for a little bit, and tomorrow morning, maybe tonight sometime, this thing might start moving again. It'll take a couple days for this daily RSI to come down, but that 1 hour and 4 hour will be coming down. And and it doesn't play by the rules like that either. That daily could come up here, just like it did over here, and ride that top the whole way. Whoops, I'm sorry about that. Let me move this because this is pretty important. You can see right where the price was at when this thing got to the top, and it rode it the whole way. So it could do that. It could definitely do that. It could fool everybody and just fire right up here tonight. But if you do your own charting and stuff, put a fib on that and see, make it through that 702. Let me give you an exact price of what that would be. That 702 zone, that's going to be right at the bottom of that, about 25 cents. We make it through the 0.262, and we're going to take out this high. I'm pretty sure of that. So we'll keep an eye on this overnight, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Not a whole lot to say here other than that. We got to wait this out and see what happens. So, all right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my channel. Please hit that subscribe button, and I hope everybody has the best night that they possibly can. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching my video.